I bet you a butterbeer that you recognize that scene.
Better be Gryffindor!
Can you imagine if Sorting Hat existed in real life? And not only that, can you imagine if it allowed us to detect diseases? This is a Biostorytime about clinical biochemistry. Sorting Hat is a magical being from Harry Potter universe able to decide which Hogwarts house we fit into based in our personality: Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and my favorite, Slytherin. It's almost as if it was written in our genes. In real life, we don't have that magic, but do you know what it is in our genes? Facts as curious as the possibility of suffering from Alzheimer's, cancer, and many other diseases. When a mutation that is an error occurs in some specific genes, it can happen that the person ends up developing a disease. For example, a mutation in the BRCA genes makes you 50% more likely to develop breast cancer. This is a problem because mutations cannot be detected with the naked eye, only through genetic analysis. However, this is a rather slow, hard-working, and overall expensive technique. CRISPR-Cas is a novel system first discovered by Francis Mojica, a Spanish scientist, which allows the detection of a specific sequence in DNA. Just as a detective looks for clues with a magnifying glass, the Cas protein has a guide that allows it to recognize the gene we want. In addition, there are Cas proteins that can produce a color compound when they find their target gene. And that's it! The advantages of this method are that the results are almost immediate, very simple, and overall cheap. This means that we could even design kits for hospital containing certain Cas proteins that recognize some specific genes or mutations. We add a sample of patient's saliva, and if Sorting Hat screams, that is, it turns colored, it is a good sign because it means that a specific gene has been detected.
Shantae, you stay.
However, if Sorting Hat doesn't turn colored, we can carry out a more exhaustive genetic test to determine if the mutation is dangerous or harmless.
Sashay away.
This would allow us to screen the entire everybody to anticipate the appearance of the disease, improving surveillance in patients at risk. Isn't it fantastic? This technology is called SHERLOCK, yes, like Sherlock Holmes, the detective, and you can find out more information about it in the article I leave you in the description. In the meantime, we will have to dream until we can use it in hospitals, or until I see you in the next video.